This is Gale, hanging out in his little jolly jumper. I don't want him to know that I'm watching. He's been talking to all of the little toys and stuff. He's just been hanging out by himself. As you can see, his feet don't even touch the ground. Are you having fun, Munchkin? What you looking at? What you looking at? What? What are you looking at? Are you tired? Is it time for your nap? Do you like it in there? Huh? Do you? Yeah, you do. You want to bounce a little? Do you want to bounce a little? Ready? Are you bouncing? Are you bouncing? What is just a blank look now, hey? No more talking? Are you done talking? Yeah? You like these toys, don't you? Huh? So much to look at. So much to look at. Can you hit them? You like that? What's the elephant do? He turns. Oh my goodness. What are you going to do next? Is this enough for now? Should I leave you to your playing? Yeah? Oh yeah? Okay, bye for now.